Bonjour les amis! We are looking at the imperative with irregular, nerdy RE verbs today. Attendre is a regular, nerdy RE verb. Attendre, to wait. Let's conjugate it. In the present tense. J'attends, tu attends, il, elle, on attend, nous attendons, vous attendez, and ils, elles attendent. The endings for regular RE verbs in the present tense are SS nothing, ONS-EZ-ENT. For the imperative, we have to use the you conjugations, the tu and the vous conjugations, and drop the subject pronouns tu and vous. So if you want to say wait, you say attends if you're addressing tu, or attendez if you're addressing vous. Let's wait, you take the nous conjugation in French and you drop the word nous. Let's wait, attendons. That is the imperative. Here are some other regular nerdy RE verbs that we're going to look at in the imperative mood. Attendre, to wait for, to await, also to expect. Perdre, to lose. Se perdre, to get lost or to lose oneself. Mordre, to bite. Prétendre. Now it looks like pretend, but actually it means to claim, as in to say. C'est vrai. So, attendre, to wait for, it's used in French more like to await because you do not add the preposition for pour in French. Are you waiting for me? Are you awaiting me? They would say, using tu. Tu m'attends? So, you want to say wait for me, using vous, you'd say attendez-moi, not pour moi, because you don't need pour in French. Await me. Don't wait for me, using tu. Ne m'attends pas. Let's wait for him on the platform. The word for platform is quai. It's masculine. Attendons-le sur le quai. Because they don't use the for, you're not using the indirect object pronouns. You've got to use the direct ones. So we will use le for him. The word for track is voie, une voie. Une voie. It's also the word for motorway lane, une voie. To lose, perdre. Don't lose them, addressing vous. Ne les perdez pas. To get lost or to lose oneself, se perdre. Don't get lost in the woods, addressing tu. Ne te perds pas dans les bois. Let's not get lost off-piste. Ne nous perdons pas hors piste. Hors piste. Outside, off. To bite, mordre. Don't bite the man, Fifi, it's not nice. Addressing tu, your little dog Fifi. Ne mords pas le monsieur, Fifi, c'est pas gentil. Using tu, don't bite your sister. Ne mords pas ta sœur. To bite into is mordre dans. False friend alert! The word sensitive in French is sensible. Why is it a false friend? Because sensible looks like it should mean sensible, but it doesn't. It means sensitive. Okay? So when a word looks like it means something in English, but it isn't, it's called a false friend because it's tricking you. It's not a friend. The fancy name is a false cognate because cognates are words that look the same or similar and mean the same. But a false cognate is a false friend. It does not mean the same thing. It's there to trick you. Using vous, don't bite into ice creams. if you have a sensitive teeth, not sensible teeth. Ne mordez pas dans les glaces si vous avez les dents sensibles. C'est un bon conseil. It's good advice. To claim, to say. Okay, so this is another false friend. So to pretend is faire semblant. Sometimes you will see prétendre for pretend, but most of the time it is faire semblant for to pretend. But to claim is prétendre. To claim something is true. Using tu. Don't claim you have the answers if it's not true. Ne prétends pas que tu as les réponses si ce n'est pas vrai. Using vous. Don't claim to know me. Ne prétendez pas me connaître. Let's not claim we were there if we weren't. Ne prétendons pas que nous y, which is why the donkey's face is there, que nous y étions si nous n'y étions pas. Tricky? Other nerdy RE verbs are rendre à, which means to give back or return an object. Se rendre à. Can you remember from when we did the regular present tense? It's another word for to go instead of aller. It also means to turn oneself in, as in to surrender. Se rendre plus an adjective means to put oneself in a state, to make oneself feel a certain way. Let's practice. What's to give back, to return something? Rendre. Ah, give it back to me. You are addressing to and your it is masculine. Rends-le-moi. Give it back to her, addressing to. To her. Rends-le-lui. Let's return the keys to them. Rendons-leur les clés. To go or to turn oneself in, as in to surrender. Se rendre à. Let's go to this address. Rendons-nous à cette adresse. Using vous, go to ticket window number 1. Ticket window is un guichet. Guy, remember G-U, followed by I is a hard G. Followed by I or E, G-U is hard. Guichet, masculine. Rendez-vous au guichet numéro 1. Ticket office. Little window, little booth, little ticket booth. Surrender yourself to love. Addressing to. Rends-toi à l'amour. Okay, to make oneself feel a certain way, to put oneself in a certain state, is se rendre plus an adjective. Don't make yourself sick, addressing to. Ne te rends pas malade. Using vous. Don't make yourself sick with these ridiculous stories. Ne vous rendez pas malade avec ces histoires ridicules. Okay, moral. Pendre. Remember this one? Pendre. Think of a pendant, hanging. To hang. Pendre. Tendre. Think tension. Tension. It's to stretch out. You're creating tension. To stretch out, to reach out. With your hands, for example, to hold out, to hand over, to offer up. Okay, so your outstretched hands and then the tension of the skin on the drum. Étendre. And we're still stretching. It's to stretch out, to make longer, to spread out. It's also used for to hang out the washing. To hang, pendre. Using to hang the painting in the corridor. Pends le tableau dans le couloir. Tableau. Tableau is a painting, a picture. No, let's hang it in the entrance. It's masculine because tableau is masculine. Non, pendons-le dans l'entrée. Entrée, entrance. It's feminine, by the way. Hang your coats in the wardrobe. Wardrobe, I tend to use armoire, but there are another two options. They are all feminine. La garde-robe, the place where you keep your dresses. La garde-robe, keep your robes. Or la penderie, where you hang things, la penderie. Pendez vos manteaux dans l'armoire. The plural of manteau, plural of EAU, has an X rather than an S. To stretch, reach out, hold out, hand over, offer up. Tendre, think tension. Hold out your hands using tu. Tends tes mains. Okay, you could say tends les mains, but it's not pronominal here, so you can use the possessive adjective te. What's to stretch out? To make longer, to spread out, like to spread out the la nappe, the tablecloth, or hang out the washing. Étendre. You got tendre with an E in front of it. Étendre. Using vous. Hang out the washing before going to the beach. Étendez le linge avant. When avant is followed by a verb ing, you put de in. Avant d'aller, the infinitive, avant d'aller à la plage. More regular article verbs are répondre à, which means to reply, to answer, to respond. Vendre, to sell, think of vending machine. Descendre, descendre, to go or to come down. Descend, it also means to get off, like to get off a bus or a train. Descendre quelque chose or descendre quelqu'un. So we would say, rather than descend something, we would say to take. We use the verb take something down. The French use descendre. It also means to take someone down, like in a gangster movie, to shoot someone. Don't answer back, addressing tu. Ne réponds pas. Sell them to me, addressing vous. Vendez-les-moi. Let's get off at the next stop. Descendons au prochain arrêt. Using tu. Take down the luggage now, please. Descends les bagages maintenant, s'il te plaît. More regular arty verbs. Défendre, which means to defend. Se défendre, to defend oneself, to look after oneself, to stand up for oneself. Défendre de, to forbid. Using to. Don't defend him. Ne défends pas. Defend the goal or they'll score a goal. Défendez le but. Will, well, vont marquer un but. Marquer is to score. A goal is un but. Masculine. Stand up for yourself using tu. Défends-toi. Let's forbid them from going online. Online is en ligne. Défendons-leur, because you are forbidding to them, d'aller en ligne. Défendre à is to forbid, followed by à. Okay, last lot. Fondre. Think of fondu, to melt. Tondre. Remember this one? To mow, to shear, or to shave, as in to shave someone's head. Détendre, You are releasing the tension now. To relax, to slacken, to loosen. Se détendre. Okay, to relax oneself, but also to go loose, to go baggy. Using vous. Melt the chocolate in a bain-marie first. Bain-marie is just when you put something in a bowl or a pan over another pan with hot water in. Fondez le chocolat au bain-marie d'abord. Using tu. Mow the lawn first, Julien. Tons la pelouse d'abord, Julien. Pelouse, full of louse. Using tu. Relax your body. Détends ton corps. Relax yourselves. Détendez-vous. Okay, let's have a look at all of those just to remind ourselves. What are the nerdy regular RE verbs? How do you say to wait for? To await, to expect plus a noun. Attendre. To lose. Perdre. To get lost, to lose oneself. Se perdre. To bite. Mordre. To claim, as in to say something is true or not. Prétendre. To give back, return an object. We've got the boomerang. Rendre à. To go or to turn oneself in, to surrender. Se rendre à. To put oneself in a state, to make oneself feel a certain way, an emotion. Se rendre, and then you will add an adjective. To hang. Pendre. To stretch, reach out, hold out, hand over, offer up. Think of the tension on the drum. Tendre. To stretch out, make longer, spread out, like hang out the washing. So here we have tendre with an I, étendre. To reply, answer, respond. Répondre à. To sell. Vendre. To go down, to come down, to descend, to get off. Descendre. To take something down or someone down. Descendre quelque chose or descendre quelqu'un. To defend. Défendre. To defend, look after or stand up for oneself. Se défendre. To forbid. Défendre de faire quelque chose à quelqu'un. To melt. Fondre. Think fondue with melted cheese or melted chocolate. To mow, shear, shave someone's head. Rhymes with fondre, tendre. To relax, slacken, loosen. Détendre. To relax oneself or to go loose, to go baggy. Se détendre. Et voilà. Merci les amis. À la prochaine fois.